Here's how to fix your Roblox keyboard if it's not working, so you can get back to your game. First of all, ensure that your keyboard is correctly connected, whether it is wired or using Bluetooth. Test your keyboard in another app or website to make sure that it works. And also restart Roblox. Completely close the Roblox application or the website and reopen Roblox and check if your keyboard is now working. Also try clearing the browser cache if you're playing in browser. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner of your screen, go to Settings, tap on Privacy and Security, tap on Delete Browsing Data, select the time range and select the cached images and files and tap on Delete Data, and you'll be done. Some programs like screen recorders, overlays, or antivirus software, they might interfere with the keyboard input. So close any unnecessary programs and try Roblox again. You can also try uninstalling Roblox from your device and download the latest version of Roblox.com instantly and reinstall Roblox and test your keyboard. Then uninstall the Roblox program, reinstall it, and test your keyboard. That's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.